If it wasn't for a doorbell camera, I wouldn't even know such a thing existed.
New Orleans, Louisiana.
Oh, hi, pretty. Are you friendly? I feel like you're not. Hi. You know what? You're so crazy. I'm gonna set it for your mom right here, okay? Okay, can I go up there? Yes? Ah! Hi! Hi, I'm Eric. I'm gonna set it for your mama right here, okay? Oh, you're so friendly, doggy. Okay, here. Smell me? Smell me?
I gotta drink. Hold on! I gotta make sure I drink myself there. Ugh. Your mom's like, what the fuck?
Help, please. I need help. Please. Hello. Someone answers and helps me, man. If you're trying to kill me, man.
Good morning, Mother. I am back from my 12-hour shift, my 6:45 p.m. to 7:15 a.m. shift. I have a lot of energy, so I'm probably gonna shower all the elderly people pee and poop off me, and then I'm gonna sleep, and then I'm gonna get ready to see Santa Claus.
No!
Step.
No!
Shh. Come on, Caitlin.
No! I'm not stepping up!
Hold on.
No!
Shut up. It's 1 o'clock in the morning.
How? No!
Come on, sit here.
No! Oh, no! No!
Yo, you. I think your girlfriend's out here. Fucking asshole, you're right now to side motherfucking friends. Right now. Don't you fucking asshole. Come here. You asshole. Oh my. What the hell? Are you okay?
Yeah, I missed the step.
Oh my gosh.
I literally turned around and you were on the ground. I literally missed the step. I wonder if that's on the camera. It is.
Hi, you are currently being recorded.
Trisha. Trisha. Trisha, I see you.
I fell
Trisha.
down.
Are you okay?
Yeah.
How'd you fall down?
I twisted my ankle. I don't know. I stepped on some. Probably a little rock or something.
You said how I got your address? Don't even worry about that, bro.
Hmm?
Oh.
Can Monkey come play?
Who?
Monkey?
Who is Monkey?
Your son?
That's not his name. Why would you call him Monkey?
We just call him that.
I don't think that's a nice name, though. Did he say it was okay to call him Monkey?
I don't know, I just got it from my friends.
Would you want somebody to call you an animal name?
I don't care.
Okay. Well, Jaden is his name, and he's not coming out to play with you guys today, and Cadence is. She's asleep. All right?
Okay.
Talk to you later.
They got one of them, doorbell things. Oh my God! Whoops. Come on, Simba.
I began to pass out. Then my head hit the wall. Boom. But I had a praying grandmother.
Camera recording.
Last night we let the liquor talk.
I don't even hear, Dad. All he's going to talk about is his ex and his financial problems. Oh, I mean, I was so excited to see Tommy. He is not pathetic. He is so nice. He is such a good guy. I was so excited to see him today.
Oh my God! I just fell. Oh fuck!
Thank you. You're welcome. Oh, I love you too. Thank you. We need lots of love in the world, absolutely. You think alive? Give me some knuckles. Give me some knuckles. And a hug. Oh, you're the best. Thank you. You know what? I will send a message to Santa because I'm Santa's helper. When he's really busy,